Sunday night. Weekend is over. This little weekend of me and my son together, just the two boys, just the boys, didn't go so great. Actually wasn't feeling so great Friday night. So Saturday we did take it easy. Got to spend some time with the cousins. It was my niece's birthday. I didn't really shoot that. It was just family time. I didn't bother shooting any of it. It was a great time for my son because there was kids he can play with besides just dad, because he wants to interact with other kids, and he's kind of shy, which is weird. I didn't think he would be, but he is. So it's hard for him to make friends at times. So all in all, I do have footage, so I will make a vlog for the weekend with me and my son. This artist has a great voice. It was a cover song from Bowie, and I really did enjoy it. I got to capture it, so I want to share it. So here it is. Enjoy it. I'll probably try to do more, maybe from different artists or local artists or upcoming artists, of their music or any covers, preferably their own music, just because I enjoy music and I just like discovering or listening to new talent. So I definitely want to do more of that. This artist is named Lilura, and the cover she did was a Bowie track. Enjoy it. I hope you guys like it. I know I did. I can't wait to hear more from this young lady. She has a great voice. I think she's super talented. I wish her the best.
Let's dance. Put on your red shoes and dance the blues. Let's dance to the songs playing on the radio. Let's sway while color lights up your face. Let's sway through the crowd to an empty space. And if you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hi, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower. Let's dance for fear the grace should fall. Let's dance for fear tonight is all. Let's sway. You could look into my eyes. Let's sway under the moonlight, the serious moonlight. And if you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hi, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower.
I hope to see her and maybe someday work with her. Not audio-wise, of course, but maybe video or photography. All in all, everyone, have a good night. That's it for me for today. So, an actual vlog will be up soon, hopefully this week. It'll be a busy week.